What's up YouTube? So today we are headed to Exotics on Cannery Row. If you can, please feel free to check out the last few videos from Monterey Car Week or click the playlist down below. You can see all the videos from the last few days from all the events I've been attending up here at Monterey Car Week 2017 with Michelin tires. This event is one of the most anticipated events I've been waiting for. I cannot wait to go check it out. I'm about to go down to the lobby in the front desk to meet up with Parker from Vehicle Virgins and Gabe from Car Lifestyle. I'm gonna take you guys along for my journey through my lens at this whole experience at Exotics on Cannery Row 2017. To give you an idea of the hotel I'm staying at, it's a Singer Porsche, just casual. So if you guys go back to some of the previous videos I had filmed here at Car Week, this hotel, the Carmel Valley Ranch is where I'm staying. They actually have Pagani and a Koenigseggs staying here. So all the guys who work for the Monterey events are staying here, plus they have their cars parked here. Everything is currently at an event right now, but there's a few that were left behind. It's still not gonna be disappointed. Check this out. This is just casually in a parking lot. You have NSX, the Special, and then that over there, Koenigsegg and 720S. And yeah, a Singer just chilling there. I hear a wild Parker and his Huracan. What? You're driving it? Yeah. So I was standing over the valet and I heard a loud car. It happened to be a Parker, so he picked me up and we're gonna go down to Exotics on Cannery Row in the Huracan. I think some people may notice us in a bright green Huracan.
It's possible, I don't know.
Maybe, we'll find out.
But not actually, because our Huracan at Exotics on Cannery Row is actually a terrible car.
That's like something you probably won't notice with the amount of crazy cars at this event. So if you've never seen this before, you've never been, you're in for a treat, because this is, I mean, what do you think of this event? Because you went the last 2 or 3 years,
it's
right?
the best event and it's free. Watch this, watch the guy's face. Look at that car spotting on the way to car spotting. Oh my god.
I think we found a parking spot. We're not sure though. We're gonna try it. Is it white or is it?
It's like whitish gray. Some kind of Nardo gray colored spot. I don't know.
Nardo gray parking. Let's find out.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's coins?
Oh, I don't have any change,
I don't
dude.
think I have coins.
So I'm gonna assume that this is probably a parking spot. I think it's like white painted over red, but we just made it, and thankfully Exotics on Cannery Row is like right there. Our main worry is coming here late and not having a parking spot, but there's one problem. We don't have any change. That's an issue. I was just thinking that.
Yeah, no, thank you.
I have to take a picture. My son's about ready to start driving. I love the back. I gotta take a picture.
Another thing about Cannery Row, a little 599 right there. Not bad. That's so cool with no rear bumper on it.
Wait, is this a Euro spec? They have a Honda badge on it.
Oh, it is a little Honda spec.
They're the biggest douches in the whole place right at the start.
Right there.
Oh.
Are you vlogging? Who's vlogging?
Oh,
who's vlogging?
yeah,
Hey, who's vlogging? Watch out, watch out. Oh, hey! Watch out, that was scary. Oh, hey!
He said he thinks your spec's horrible.
Oh,
thanks, Damon.
Alright, we made it. There he is. So we made it to Exotics on Cannery Row. We had to come to the Michelin booth, so like we pretty much just bolted through the whole crowd and got over here as quickly as we could, but I haven't even looked around yet, and there's a lot of Koenigseggs here. Holy crap. Okay, well, this is Exotics on Cannery Row 2017. Let's go. So I had someone come up to me and say that this is their first time ever seeing a Koenigsegg in person. I think that they see a few here because there's, I think, 10 or 15 in a row. I gotta say, the specs here are awesome. My buddy Wittes has a crazy white spec, but I'm gonna show you guys a special one right now. It is definitely unique. Let me know what you think.
At night though, we did all these at night.
You guys are in the cool section.
We're in the cool section. I'm sorry, dude. Dude, you're all swagged out.
Yeah, bro, we
Dang.
Play on, play it. Play on, play it. Play on, play it.
How are you?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Can't get out of my mind.
Oh, this is that.
So they're here. Do you see them?
So if you guys noticed, there's a couple of people behind me. Definitely a little bit hard to get the good photos, get the good videos, but nonetheless, we're here trying to get the best content that we can.
Chopped up, dude.
As far as when it comes to like modified cars that are supercars, I'm obsessed with anything that has a wide body kit. Regardless of the price, I'm obsessed with how good the car looks. You can fit huge rims on it. And personally, like, the stance is way, way meaner.
You like it. Oh, Spencer.
Honestly, I think anywhere you go with a Pagani, you're going to steal the show 100%. But not in this case. This parking lot is the secondary parking lot to the main parking lot over on the side. So that just shows you the caliber of this car show. One of the best things about this is that we get to experience a passion that we all share. We all love cars, we're all here for a certain reason, and it's just nice to meet people who are so passionate and understand like the extreme love that we all have for this. So I gotta say thank you to everyone who I met here so far. I appreciate all the support. It's been nothing but amazing and heartwarming, so thank you. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Been a while. Got it?
Yeah, thank
awesome.
you.
We kind of walked around the whole car show. I showed you everything, which it's kind of hard to vlog when there's so many people around, but nonetheless, I wanted to show you guys all the cars here. The next thing, like the best thing about this car show is the fact that all these cars are going to be leaving around all these people, and it's going to be insane madness. So you're going to see a lot of flames, a lot of revving, and it's going to be pretty crazy. I already hear some cars going off right now.
I want to film this, I want to film this. Oh, wait.
I've been to so many of these car events where it's like, honestly, I never get tired of how crazy these get, especially Exotics on Cannery Road, because every year they do not disappoint, and these Koenigseggs are insane. These are the kind of moments that you never forget. I have no words, speechless. shot.
The shotgun.
At some point when you're doing these videos, you kind of have to say just screw it to get the shot. That was so sick.
No pictures. You can't help it, bro. I'm just kidding. Have fun.
See you, Mark.
Ready, guys.
Be safe, dude.
Oh, hi, Mom. Bye, Nick.
Motel 8. Motel 8, like 40 miles away.
I know, like literally everything's booked, and we have. Dan's Koenigseggs. 1, 2.
That's a 3 F50.
Casual. Valentino, see you.